Since we're all social creatures, our relationships have a big impact on how happy we are. One of the secrets to success in life is gaining the respect of others. But how do you earn people's genuine respect? And more importantly, how can you make sure that people will always respect you? When you respect yourself, you are acting in a way that you would like people to act toward you, which raises your own sense of self-worth. According to psychology, there are certain things you can do to make sure that others will always treat you with the respect you deserve. Pay close attention until the end of this video to discover how to make anyone respect you instantly. Speak up. Have you ever found yourself in a scenario where you had something to say or heavily disagreed with someone, but you didn't have the courage to speak up, or stopped yourself from saying anything because you didn't want to confront a person? We've all been in that situation, but remember, if you don't speak up when you have something to say or when you disagree with someone, they will assume that you are okay with whatever they are saying or doing. In some cases, they may assume that you actually agree with them. Therefore, it is crucial to express your opinion, whether it's positive or negative, if you want to earn people's respect. Don't let your emotions dictate. Try to keep your emotions under control, even if you are frustrated or angry. Remain calm, even in the middle of a tense moment. Try to be cool and handle every situation in a calm manner. Controlling your emotions and reactions requires a lot of discipline, which comes with emotional maturity. Flipping out over little problems can cause people to not respect you, since they will start to wonder how you will act in more challenging circumstances. When you start complaining or you allow your negative emotions to take control, you might say harsh or cruel things. So, if you want to be respected, try to control your emotions. It will benefit you in many ways, especially by minimizing the damage to your relationships, not embarrassing yourself, and ultimately earning people's respect. Stop making excuses. We are the sum of our decisions, and our choices influence our actions. Although sometimes we have to face unanticipated problems and obstacles, most of the time, our circumstances are what we make them to be. When something goes wrong or you make a mistake, take full responsibility for the situation and admit your mistake. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes all the time. That is not going to define you as a person. In fact, admitting your fault and taking full ownership for your actions is something that is definitely respectable and mature, even in a tough situation. Admit your mistake, then move on and consider how can you be better next time. Don't forget, making mistakes will only make you stronger, and people who never make mistakes are lying. If you truly commit to something, stop talking about it and start acting up on it. Provide value. Being positive and helpful rather than destructive and negative is important if you want people to respect you. Don't confuse this with simply pleasing people, because you are not doing things that you don't want to do. At least you shouldn't. Instead, you should stay encouraging and helpful. Be the kind of person who makes things better rather than worse, while being genuine and supportive, and always looking for ways to improve the situation and make things easier for others. You want to demonstrate a good example. If you're a person who adds real value to their surroundings, you will undoubtedly earn respect. Listen to people. If you want to be respected, make sure you're taking the time to really listen to what others have to say. If you noticed, smart and respected people don't run their mouth all the time about anything that comes up in their mind. They speak only when they have to, and their words have a strong meaning behind it. This is why people who are able to listen to others instead of saying what they have to say can easily earn the respect of others. This means giving them your full attention and refraining from interrupting them when they are speaking. You can always add your thoughts and opinion in a respectful manner once you heard the other person talking. Believe in what you say. Honesty and trustworthiness are the cornerstones of respect. Every time you speak the truth or keep your word, you are basically demonstrating your sincerity. You're proving sense of morality, and this way you earn respect. You should make an effort to stay true to your commitments and promises. Otherwise, people will have a hard time respecting you. You're starting the process of evolving into a better version of yourself by doing this constantly. If you cannot make it to a meetup, make sure to let that person know that you're not going to be there for whatever reason. They will appreciate it that you were honest and clear about things, instead of forcing yourself into something or straight up ignoring them. After all, it becomes harder to trust someone who consistently lets you down, let alone respect them. Stay respectful. It's pretty straightforward. If you want to be respected, you should give respect first. Despite your friend's boring story about his girlfriend, resist the desire to check your phone and actually listen to what he says. Your actions and body language should also demonstrate interest and concern when you are actively listening. Avoid rolling your eyes or talking over your partner if they are discussing something unpleasant with you. By doing this, you just make people feel insulted and give off the impression that you're mean. And mean people are hardly respected. Treat everyone with respect, regardless of whether you share their opinions or ideas, and you will also be respected. If you found value in this video, please smash that like button and consider subscribing.